Big news from the Philippine Navy. The two Jose Rizal-class multi-mission frigates, BRP Jose Rizal and BRP Antonio Luna, are finally getting the long-awaited upgrades that will make them fully combat-ready. Among the enhancements, the close-in weapon system and the vertical launching system, two critical components that will take these ships from capable platforms to powerful modern warships. In today's video, we'll dive into what these upgrades mean, what weapons might be installed, and how they fit into the Navy's growing modernization plans. Commissioned in 2020 and 2021, the BRP Jose Rizal and BRP Antonio Luna, one of the most modern surface combatants in the Philippine Navy. Built by HD Hyundai Heavy Industries of South Korea, these ships are based on the HDF 2600 design. Each frigate already packs impressive features: a 76mm main gun, 35mm RCWS, anti-ship missiles, short-range air defense, torpedoes, advanced radar, and sensors. These ships were built with fitted for but not with capabilities, meaning the space for key systems like VLS and CIWS was there, but not yet equipped. That's about to change. A close-in weapon system, or CIWS, is a last line of defense against incoming missiles, drones, and even small boats. It's an automatic, radar-guided gun system capable of shooting down threats at very close range. Think of it as the ship's emergency shield, the system that kicks in when everything else has failed. The Philippine Navy is expected to acquire a system like the Phalanx CIWS, or South Korea's goalkeeper, or Aselsan Gokdeniz CIWS. While the exact model hasn't been confirmed, installing a CIWS will significantly boost the frigate's survivability in high-threat environments. The Vertical Launching System, or VLS, is a modular missile launcher that allows warships to fire a wide range of weapons vertically from beneath the deck. The Jose Rizal-class ships were designed with space for a 16-cell VLS module, and now it looks like that space will finally be used. The missile most likely to be installed is the VL Mike NG from MBDA, already offered to the Philippine Navy. It's a next-generation surface-to-air missile capable of engaging aircraft, missiles and drones at ranges of up to 40 kilometers. With a VLS, the frigates will now have true layered air defense, something currently missing from the fleet. These upgrades aren't happening in a vacuum. The region is heating up. The West Philippine Sea remains contested, and China's naval and air presence is growing more aggressive. The ability to detect, track, and destroy incoming threats, from jets to anti-ship missiles, is now non-negotiable. CIWS and VLS will give the Jose Rizal-class the ability to defend against modern aerial threats, protect themselves and other ships in a task group, contribute to alliance-based operations with the US, Japan, and South Korea. This is about more than firepower. It's about survival, deterrence, and credibility. With the confirmation now public, what happens next? The procurement process begins. Official contracts for CIWS and VLS will be finalized. Shipyard work. Installation likely to take place either in Subic or South Korea. Integration and testing. These systems must be linked with the ship's combat management system and radar. We can expect installation and full operational capability by late 2026 or early 2027, though this will depend on funding and logistics. There are also talks of upgrading anti-submarine warfare capabilities, possibly with enhanced sonar or helicopter assets, but these are still in planning stages. The Jose Rizal-class upgrades also set the tone for the next-generation Horizon 3 frigates, which are expected to come fully armed out of the box, with VLS, CIWS, and more. By upgrading its existing ships, the Philippine Navy is showing that it's serious about standardization, capability growth, and forward planning. This move ensures that all major surface combatants in the coming years will be interoperable, multi-role, and ready for joint and independent missions. From coast watchers to full-fledged warfighters, the Jose Rizal-class is finally evolving into the multi-mission combat ships they were always meant to be. With CIWS and VLS upgrades confirmed, these ships will soon serve as the backbone of the Philippine Navy's surface fleet, capable of standing their ground in a modern threat environment. What do you think of these upgrades? Is it enough? What other weapons or systems should the Navy consider next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the armed forces of the Philippines and its journey toward a stronger maritime future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.